Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving deep into something many of you have requested, and honestly, I couldn't agree more with your feedback. In the comments, you've told me again and again, don't just show the workflow, take us step by step. So that's exactly what I'm doing today. I'm building an MCP server for Zoho CRM using n8n, starting completely from scratch. Whether you're brand new to automation with n8n or you want to refine your integration skills with Zoho CRM, you're in the right place. Let me quickly show you what I'm creating. It's an automated server that can create, update, delete, and retrieve leads in Zoho CRM, all triggered and managed through n8n's powerful workflow builder. Let's start. I have opened my n8n instance with a fresh workflow. I'm not using any templates, just a blank slate and our creativity. First, let's start by adding the MCP server trigger node. This node is listening for incoming requests, acting as the starting point of our entire automation. See how I'm dragging it onto the canvas? Perfect. Notice the production URL of this node. We'll use it later to connect with the AI agent. Now, let's add our Zoho CRM nodes as tools to this MCP server node. Click on the plus icon and search for Zoho in the Tools section. Click on Zoho CRM. Now select the resource as lead for our demo and operation as create. To connect it with your Zoho CRM, you have to visit the Zoho API console and click on the Add Client button. Select Server-Based Applications, fill in the name and homepage URL. For the redirect URL, you'll get it from your n8n instance. Copy that and paste it here. Click on Create, and the client will be created instantly. You can copy the client ID and secret from here and paste them into n8n. n8n is now connected with Zoho CRM. Let's now add the fields to lead. Notice the magic icon in each field. We'll click on those. It signals n8n that the input value for these fields will be automatically decided by the AI agent, and we don't have to manually input these values. This creates the real AI magic. Let's add some more nodes. I am adding nodes for delete lead. Again, we will do the same steps, but the Zoho account step you don't have to do again. n8n will pick up the existing Zoho account automatically. Let's now add another tool for Zoho CRM API to get a lead by ID. Here again, we will let our AI agent decide which lead to get, so we don't have to mention the ID manually. Now, we'll add another node for Zoho CRM API. It will be used to get all leads from CRM. To make sure it returns all leads, we'll turn on Return All toggle. Otherwise, it will just return the limited records. We can also specify various filters here as per the requirements, like only fetch approved leads, or even make different nodes for the filters. But we'll keep it simple for this session. I'll rename it to Get All instead of Get Many, so that our AI agent understand it more clearly. Okay, so let's add one more node to update the lead. Here again, we can take the fields as per our need, or just add same fields that we added in Create node. We can use this just to update the lead status as well. Again, fields input will be automatically decided by AI agent by following same steps. We can add these nodes for other resources as well, like deals or accounts as per requirements. We have our MCP server ready. Now, we'll add an AI agent that will talk with this MCP server. Let's first create a chat trigger node that will accept input from user. It can also be linked with internal communication tools like MS Teams or Slack. Now we'll add an AI agent node. This is a special node that needs some extra things to work. Let's add those one by one. First, we'll add our chat model. I'll use here OpenAI node. You can also use other models as well. For OpenAI, we need API key to establish the connection. Let's add the key here. Now we'll add a simple memory tool provided by n8n so that agent keep track of chat thread. And finally, we'll create an MCP client tool. From the MCP server node that we created in very first step, we will copy the production URL and add an MCP client node. Our workflow is now ready to test. Let's test it by a simple prompt in the chat. Can you give me all leads in my Zoho CRM? It starts processing. Logs are showing correct. And here we go. It pulled all the leads from Zoho and answered in the chat. Now, to make it more accurate, in our agent, we can add a system prompt. There we can define how our agent should behave exactly. If you've ever felt lost watching demos that skip over the nitty-gritty setup, this video is dedicated to you. Every click, every option, every connection. I'm explaining as if you're looking over my shoulder. And there we have it. I've just built a complete MCP server for Zoho CRM, right here, live on camera. Don't forget, if you find these detailed walkthroughs useful, smash that like button, subscribe, and keep the comments coming. Your ideas shape this channel.